Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System Management. Then let's tap on Reset Options. And here we have to tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, so the very first option. Let's tap on it, and your device will of course inform you what it will actually reset. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset Settings. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.